If your Schlage smart lock won't connect to Wi-Fi, the issue is often related to network compatibility or signal strength. Devices like the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt are designed to work mainly on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band because it provides better range than 5 GHz networks. However, if your router only broadcasts 5 GHz, the signal is weak, or the network settings are restricted, the lock may fail to connect during setup. The good news is that most connectivity problems can be solved with a few quick network checks and a simple reset. Step 1. Make sure your router broadcasts a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and not only 5 GHz. Step 2. Restart your router and wait about 30 seconds before reconnecting devices. Step 3. Hold the Schlage button for about 10 seconds to reset the lock's Wi-Fi connection. Step 4. Use the Schlage Home app to reconnect the lock to your network. Step 5. Move the lock closer to the router or use a Wi-Fi extender if the signal is weak.